Arthur, there you are. Come on. Thomas, let's get going.
Right you are.
Hey, Bill, you were a sharpshooter in the cavalry, weren't you?
What?
When we get there, maybe you could help with the suppression fire.
I never said I was no sharpshooter.
Oh, that's right. What was it? The nation's most loyal latrine digger, wasn't that it?
Yeah, well, I fought, and I fought well.
So you always tell us.
Taught me something you could do with learning. Them Indians were savages.
Watch him out there, boy. Watch it. Only type of savage in these parts are moonshine, swilling, pompous, inbred locals.
Dutch, I saw things out there.
I don't doubt you saw things, Bill, but your tiny little mind was too small to comprehend what you saw. What you saw was people who lost everything to savagery. Savagery of peasants. Failures come from Europe to reap some awful vengeance on God's last creation.
Interesting way you boys gotta prepare for a killing.
I'm sorry I wasted my life trying to teach you boys. Love you though, I do.
Well, leaving love aside, you think we got this?
Don't you never leave love aside, Arthur. That's all we got. Now you pick us up yonder.
I got you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Come on, quick. Stay quiet. Lenny, Bill, you're with me. Arthur, John, you take the left side. If you see a shot, take it. Okay? Good luck, gentlemen. Arthur, let's go.
Let's go. You see those two? Stay out of sight. Shoot that lock, Arthur. Good. Now kick that damn door in. Look out! Arrivederci! It's over! Let's spread out. He's hiding somewhere. Manny, keep that door covered. Let's check upstairs. He's not down here. John!
Figlio di puttana!
Oh, cazzo!
Okay, I'm sorry, friend. No, name your price. Name your price. Every man have a price. Eh? Okay. No, I surrender. Should
we kill him? Nah, let's take him to Dutch. You can carry him. I ain't touching that piece of shit. Dutch wants to have a little... Hey, Mr. Bronte.
What's your thought now?
What are you waiting for? Take him. Come on, Morgan! We're getting the hell out of here! This is it! We gotta get out of here! Call yourself police! Bronte!
What's up, all the boys? Somebody hit the cooler!
More than that! Here, we got what we came for! Get to the boat!
I won't tolerate you around!
Quick, get on your friend on that boat before any more show up. Put him in the front. Bill, you help. You got him? There. Oh, come on, Lenny. All right, come on. Let's get out of here.
Yep.
Oh, hey, big man. We gonna ransom you or what?
You're pathetic.
Well, I am. Because from where I'm sitting, you're the one deserving of pity, my friend. All your men, all your money, it weren't no match for a bunch of bumpkins.
You are nothing. You do nothing. You mean nothing. You stand for nothing. Me, I run a city. And when the law catch up to you, you will die like nothing. I am this country. You are what people are running from.
I possess things that you will never understand.
You don't even possess your own men. $1,000 to the man who kills him and sets me free.
What are you gonna say now?
They are even bigger fools than you.
No doubt.
The law will find you. Already, the dogs are on the way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're right. You are so right.
They are good at smelling filth, huh? So filth has got to be disposed of. Your friends, the pigeonheads, gonna come and rescue you. You repulsive little maggot. Call them now. You call them. Jesus. What part of your philosophy books cover feeding the fella? The goddamn alligator, Dutch.
Part that covers weakness. That part.
I don't know.
Well, I do. It ain't nice. I know it. But it is us or him. I figure it might as well be him.